Happy Tuesday, everyone. Thank you for tuning into this video. This is going to be a back pain relief part 2, okay? So this is targeted more for some lower back pain, but this is also really good just for any back pain that you have. I'm going to show you 2 active exercises that I love and also 2 passive exercises, meaning more of a stretch and less movement within it. So we're going to start with the active exercises, and the first one is called open books. So this is going to be more of a rotation. You'll lay on one side and bring your top leg over top. I like to use a foam roller, especially for those who don't have great rotation at first. Okay, so you're going to start with your hands stacked on top of each other and just relax your head down, and you're going to take your top hand up towards the ceiling and follow with your eyes. That's the key here. All the way down as far as you can, trying to get your opposite shoulder blade onto the ground. And then nice and slow and controlled, close back around. So you're reaching along up towards the ceiling, open up, and this knee is staying down on the foam roller. And then close all the way back down and around. You don't want to go too fast on those. It's slow and controlled, and that way you're getting the nice rotation in your back, and it actually feels really, really good. So you want to do 8 to 10 each side, and a couple times a day would be perfect. And then we're going to go into bird dog. So this is the second active exercise that I really love. So your hands are going to be stacked right under your shoulders, your knees are stacked right under your hips, and your back is as flat as it can be. So like I always like to tell my clients, if there's a glass of water sitting on your low back, you can't spill it through this whole exercise. All right, so we're going to reach our opposite hand and leg simultaneously out. So you're reaching out and then setting it right back down where it came from. And then switch sides. Reach with your left and set it right back down where it came from. In the first few, I noticed that the first few reps can be pretty difficult if you don't have great balance, but over time, each rep will get better. Same thing, here, slow is better. You don't want to go fast, okay? So that is for more of, people think core is in the front, the back is also part of your core, so that's going to help strengthen your low back because that low back might be weak and that's why you're getting a lot of pain. So those were the 2 active exercises. Those are some of my favorites. The next one, we're going to go into the passive exercises. So this one is just going to be a very simple band hamstring stretch, okay? So wrap that band around one foot, lie all the way flat on your back. And then you can grab up that band, and you want to keep this leg straight and this toe pointed straight up towards the ceiling. And you're just going to pull until you feel a nice good stretch in your hamstring. So when our hamstrings are really tight, that's why a lot of us do have a lot of back pain. Okay, it just limits the range of motion in our entire hip joint, which causes a lot of pain in our low back. It's just a lot of tightness in the low back, especially for the people who have to sit a lot during the day. And then the 4th passive exercise is called a pigeon stretch. This can be difficult to get in, but I know last week Zach showed the figure 4 stretch. So that's a really good alternative to the exercise I'm going to show you here. So you're just going to tuck the one leg under you. Okay, the further you bring this foot forward, the more stretch you're going to feel. Okay, and then you're just going to sit down. You want to sit down onto this glute. So you're going to get a thigh stretch on the opposite leg, a glute stretch here. Okay, and same thing. Okay, and you can just take it down to your elbows too if you want an even deeper stretch or just a different feel to it. So, same thing with the hamstring stretch. A lot of times low back pain doesn't always mean that you have problems in your low back. It could stimulate from lots of hamstring tightness, hip tightness, glute tightness. So that's why I like to do these kind of stretches with my clients. And then you pop up and they're like, oh my gosh, I already feel so much better. So maybe try these 4 exercises now that you've already incorporated the other ones that Zach showed you last week, and hopefully you'll be feeling a lot better. Thank you guys.